My name is Aaron. I am 68 years old. I am single mother. My husband passed away many years ago when my son is still very small. One day, my life changed forever became one mother and father to my child. I did not know every word for him. When my son passes away, I was very afraid. I did not come at the water rises shape alone. When I looked at my son was face, especially within at me. I put it started at my hair and I covered me myself. I will try and hide and will never let me feel alone. I worried very hard. I couldn't seem the truth and was scrolling my head. Sometimes I dream over people's houses. Many nights I went to be tired and hungry, which I was my children my son after fix. When it's met, my parents come right. When my son was small, when I was with my grandmother to work, each time they cried and they waited for me. I held his hands and they say, "Don't be afraid, I am here." When he was sick, I started away at night. Toby became a friend with how we find. It's not with your friend yet. And break out. My hand turned gray. My brother became weak. But my love never became weak. When my son became a man, when water is a friend, whoever in evening, I wanted for him some on the spots. I cooked I spoke and I cleaned the house. When we came home today, I feel happy you saw me and said, I like no money. I didn't know what comfort my son was I know. One day, my son came to me and said, Mother, I want to get married. I smiled at him. Is it making you happy? I said that I am happy too. First line is in my hair. Will I die moment? If I read my life world changing again. Wishing when I come to life on the whole, I will come to time. This is why you are beautiful. I say this is your home. I went to him and recovering a shower and recovering a wake up. We after a week days and with something was wrong. She shopping and to me short walk. They average my age. When I came to her with call, she said I knew what to do. When it snowed, they became angry to the snowing storm. Having I told myself, she's young, she needs time. One evening, my son came home very late from the creek. This corner was noticing my friends looking tired. He sat down and said, "Why bring a young child? Please bring my son water." There was no answer. After some time, we came again. While I hungry and I didn't. Still there was no answer. I was in the next room. Our house was small, and the walls were thin. I heard my son stand. His voice became louder. "My don't you answer me?" he asked. Then heard her see her. "It's your mother," she said. "She hates me. She kept doubting on me. She called me lazy and stupid." She said, "Why did my son marry a girl like you?" My heart went to escape. Tom's warm where to go. When I started saying, "My son said, please," his voice soft. She slow. Try to lie, recovering what here. I wasn't angry. There is no dinner. I could not cook. They all want my kids anyway, not to you. Everything I do is wrong. My son said, "She is a mother." He said, "This here house too." She says it's coming. You must choose. Every life, one meal of life we eat, no words. The night my son went to bed hungry. I lay awake on my mat. I'm staring at the sofa. My head feels heavy. I pray clean. Please bring my son. Please don't leave me Charles running. The next morning I hear him again. Have you decided? Did escape him? Do you want me or you mother? Then it said word I will never forget. Put your mother over time. She's all she big song over me. And young you I can happily. The day my son died not speak much. He did not act. He did not look at me. For the fear sang at my life. I feel afraid of my one child. When night he came to me and said quietly, Mother, where are you going on your journey? Third one. I looking into eyes, and nothing ever. My hair broken, my room, my face. It's very calm. I know what I say. I'm writing my song. The next morning, is laughing my stomach is back. The pan on the tin was broken. The iron was cool. I did not ask any question. His husband came here. His rain became heavy and the thing thing became slow. I looked around and thought aloud about my life. I remember friending with me with all hands. I remember owing his my hair bright. I remember fronting his from the world. I told, and my life is stunning. I have no regret. When I ran to the job and the heat, I spoke softly, my son. I said, I know why you wrote my hair. When you stopped working, we just voice me and sang again. Please be careful. Hold the camera so you don't fall. When Torna looked at me, their funny eyes, you know, he asked and smiled son. Yes, as I a mother I was know. He's loving him down. He's covering his face I cried. I want to go. You, he said, and you are still worrying about me. I told him it's one, my child. I said, a mother love is never ends. A father alone seems to like my game, which is saying I want to do the care. When we arrived home, he sang with his wife away. He did not stop her. I did not speak really about it. I only standing hook plenty. No, my son, I like beautifully. I could for time. I thank care out for me. How hope is going again. And mother love as for nothing. And mother love never dies. Never forget and they want to game of the evening.